Hey everyone, so I am back with my another audio article. As I promised and I discussed yesterday, मतलब डिस्कस करने के लिए तो कोई नहीं था, मैं अकेली थी और मैंने यूट्यूब वीडियो में बोला था अपनी कि आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट अ ऑडियो आर्टिकल ऑन डेली बेसिस. ओनली वन आर्टिकल आई एम गोइंग टू चूज नाउ अ डेज बिकॉज अभी आई डोंट नो हाउ मच और whether there'll be good response or not, whether it will be fruitful to you or not, because I found it very useful when I did the reading loudly. And or I myself, if somebody else, my cousin told me that that listening made that article interesting as well as understandable. So it might help you and it might not. So just let me know whether it is whether it is giving you results or not. I should do it or not further. Till then, I'm going to do the reading of daily one article. So today the article that I'm choosing is right in front of you. It says as poverty key factor in determining institutional delivery study. सो बेसिकली ये 2 या 3 दिन पहले एक न्यूज़ आई थी हिंदू में ही कि द गवर्नमेंट इज़ थिंकिंग टू मैक्सिमाइज द मैरिज द एज ऑफ अ गर्ल फॉर मैरिज. सो ये उससे ही रिलेटेड है. एक स्टडी उन्होंने दी है, प्रेजेंट की है, दैट हाउ मच इट इज़ beneficial or what parameters are beneficial. So let's dig into it. Education and exposure to a community health worker to score higher than age of marriage in accessing a facility. Poverty, education and exposure to a community health worker are more important than age at marriage in determining whether a mother will be able to have a safe birth in a medical facility, according to a first of its kind study on utilization of institutional delivery in the country. The research comes at a time the government has proposed to raise the age of marriage for women to 21 in order to reduce maternal deaths, a decision that has come under heavy criticism for ignoring social realities such as poverty, education, and access to health services that are set to play a bigger role in preventing child marriages. Published in the peer reviewed journal Global Health Action, the study analyzes data on state level maternal mortality ratio as well as the National Family Health Survey 4. The study is unique in its exploration of socio-demographic factors as well as barriers in low coverage of institutional deliveries, which is a key intervention in averting the risk of maternal mortality due to childbirth-related complications. The study has been authored by Ria Saha, a public health consultant in the UK, and Pintu Paul, a PhD candidate in Jawaharlal Nehru University. Low performers. It focuses on 9 low performing states with high burden of maternal mortality: Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. These states constitute about half of the country's population and contribute 62% of maternal deaths, 71% of infant deaths, 72% of under 5 years deaths, and 61% of births in the country. They also account for 12% of global maternal deaths. India has a maternal mortality rate of 113 per 100,000 and the rate remains alarmingly high. In these 9 states at 161 deaths per 100,000. As far as socio-demographic factors are concerned, poverty is responsible more than twice as much as age at marriage in determining whether a woman will seek institutional delivery. Education is 1.5 times more important than age at marriage. Among other factors, interaction with the community health worker and awareness campaigns had a great impact than age at marriage. However, distance to the health facility and age at marriage had almost similar influences on institutional deliveries, Pinto Paul told The Hindu in an email. The influence of educational attainment appeared to be strongest in Assam and Chhattisgarh, where women with a higher level of education were about 5 times more likely to deliver in a health facility than women who had no education. In Assam, women from the richest wealth index were almost 14 times more likely to deliver in a health institution than those from the poorest wealth index. Similarly, the odds of delivering in a health facility among the richest women were about 5 to 6 fold higher in states such as Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttarakhand than the poorest women, according to the study. Access barriers. As far as barriers in accessing institutional deliveries were concerned, about 17% of women expressed distance or lack of transportation, and 16% cited cost to be some of the challenges. Other reasons were facility closures, poor services, or trust issues. The authors recommend state specific interventions not only to increase the number of public health facilities but also to improve associated quality of care, underlining that inadequate clinical training and insufficient skilled human resources affected the quality of available maternity services, resulting in low coverage of institutional deliveries. So thank you all of you. This was a very informative article, very nice article, and it is showing the data. As you can see the graph as well, it has actually risen up some questions which are very much beneficial for the young people who are trying to understand the concept of marriage. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe and positive comment. Thank you.